Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert image to Word document. So let's begin our video. So guys, if you have any kind of document or any kind of paper hard copy that's you want to convert your Word document, what I need to do, first of all you just need to take a picture from your mobile phone and then it's transferred to your PC or laptop. So here you can see I've already take a picture and that's icon import on my PC. Right now I want to convert it to Word document file. How do I need to do? So first of all, I just open my Microsoft Word. Here you can see. Then there I want to insert, go on picture, this device, and this picture I already insert, and I improve the size. So right now I need to save it as a PDF. So go on file, select save as, select browse, and select where you actually want to save, and select save as type, select PDF, then save it. Well done. This already saved, so I don't want. Here you can see PDF saved. So right now I just open my Microsoft Word again, make it a smaller size, and I just open the location where I already saved my PDF. So here you can see this is PDF. Right now what I need to do, I just need to drag and drop on Microsoft Word file, and here you can see I just need to select OK. So right now if I open it, here you can see this picture already converted to Microsoft Word file. Here you can see everything converted to Word file. So this is the way for convert your image to Microsoft Word file. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.